Hey everyone, Lenovo just revealed that the ThinkBook 16 Plus 2024 Core Ultra 9 laptop will be available later this month. With a 16-core 22-thread Core Ultra 9 185H processor, 32 gigs of RAM, and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, this laptop is built to be a formidable device. These requirements guarantee seamless multitasking and easy handling of demanding applications. The ThinkBook 16 Plus 2024 Core Ultra 9 offers consumers the choice of integrated graphics or an optional discrete graphics card, the RTX 4060, as one of its standout features. With this option, users can customize the laptop's performance to meet their own requirements. For tasks such as video editing and gaming, opting for the RTX 4060 discrete graphics card can provide enhanced performance and a smoother experience. The ThinkBook 16 Plus 2024 comes equipped with an impressive 3.2K 165Hz IPS display, offering a maximum brightness of 430 nits. This high-quality display covers 100% of both the sRGB and P3 color gamuts, ensuring exceptional color accuracy that's ideal for creative work. What's more, the display supports color gamut switching, Dolby Vision, and is X-Rite factory color calibrated with an average delta E of less than 1, delivering true-to-life visuals. To further enhance user experience, the display is TÜV Rheinland low blue light certified, reducing eye strain during long periods of use. The ThinkBook 16 Plus 2024 offers a variety of connectors for different devices in terms of connectivity. There are two Thunderbolt 4 connectors for fast data transfer and power delivery, a 3.5mm headset jack, and a USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 port on the left side. Two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports are available on the right side for additional peripherals. The laptop also has a DC power input for charging and an HDMI 2.1 port for external displays on its back. These ports guarantee adaptability and ease of use when connecting to a variety of gadgets and accessories. All things considered, the Lenovo ThinkBook 16 Plus 2024 Core Ultra 9 appears to be a promising entry into the laptop market, providing a combination of strong hardware and adaptability to satisfy a range of customer needs. Thanks for watching. I'm glad you watch my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.